This is about Norie's Mack trucks. Here's number 7 backing in to get a load. Big tires. Now we're at the TL11, loading some big heavy hemlock. Looks like boomsticks. Probably over 90 tons there. And now we got number 8 climbing the switchback with a load of ballast in Port Neville. This has got a 6-cylinder Cummins in it. Backing in past the spread cat. Out comes the rocks. Nice looking ballast. And now number 2's coming up the same switchback. Now we're looking at the head of Port Neville where Jeff Slaney was logging. Number 2's backing in. And here's John Brella loading ballast in number 8. He's backing down the road. Pretty new there. There's number 7 all loaded up, leaving the steel spar and the TL11. Another jag of wet hemlock, probably over 90 tons there. There's number 5 got a pretty good jag too. They had 9-foot bunks with about 2-foot stakes. Here comes number 2 roaring around with a load of ballast. Backing in. Here he comes up past the spread cat. Yeah, at Port Neville they had a lift dump. And into the water. Here's number 7 dumping. Now we're at Elk Bay where they had a parbuckle dump. Pretty windy there today. Just count the logs on this load. Nice one there. Number 8 was pretty handy when it came to moving camp. It's got the whole tire shop on there. And that about wraps it up.